Okay, this is a Scott multi-use sprayer. And this is a 1 gallon, right? 3-in-1 nozzle. Okay, this is open box. Okay, I opened the box, and then there's the one piece main body, and then there's the connector and this nozzle sprayer, the ending. And then this one also the nozzle assemble hose to tank. So this connector, and then what is this? Okay. Yeah, so total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces in this box. Okay, now we can attach this hose part together to this tank, right? As the first step. Okay, so how can we do? This is this is a nut. This is a hose nut, so you have to move backward to the edge, and then attach to shut off part here, and then turn clockwise until you make tight to attach to connect both of them. And you see the ending part here. So this is connected to the whole line, and you have to put this part here, right, until the edge. And okay, so this one, so you have to push hose barb into tank, like hose barb into tank until it stops it, right? And then also you can turn clockwise, same thing. Turn, make tight. Yeah, so now we attach this one. And this is pump. Okay, so you basically put in this bottle and turn clockwise to tighten like this, right? So you later can use this handle to push the air so that the water come out through the sprayer here, line, hose. But now we don't need this one because we have to put water first. So I will take it out. Explain the nozzle here. So basically, the regular nozzle is attached to this hose, the end edge, and then we call this adjustable cone nozzle. So if you see here closely, and then you can, here is a hole. So water, whatever the liquid you use, it will be spread out here from this hole, right? But then you can adjust, like turn this one. Okay, so this is whole part first, so you can take it out, right, like this. And then if you see this one, okay, and then you can adjust the water, how water comes out from this hole. So if you turn like this way, you can adjust how the water more comes out straight forward or more spread, the widely spread. So you can adjust by turning this end of adjustable nozzle. So yeah, so you can attach or take it out. And then this one, I will explain. This is also multi-nozzle. So it has three parts. This is fan, cone, and also stream. So stream, I will explain each one. The stream, of course, you can attach this one here, right? You can attach and use these three different parts. So stream part here, it looks like this. So how it works? Stream uses like a spa spring in flower beds, walkways and driveways and patios around trees. And then edging along fences, driveways and walkways, you can use this stream. And then this is cone. So it looks like this shape. And then this cone is to killing bushes such as like poison ivy and poison oak and wild blackberry. So you can prepare for garden beds for planting of ornaments and vegetables. And then one more here, fan. This is for lawn replacement, killing lawn and weeds before planting a new lawn. And then the shape is like this. So you can prepare large areas for planting of ornaments and vegetable gardens also as well. So you can attach this part at the end of the hose, and then you can turn whatever you really like to use on each function. But then when you try first, okay, let me attach first. So you attach, turn clockwise until tighten, like this. And then you can adjust this part, whatever you want. But then it's really hard. First of all, I really thought that it didn't work, but you have to squeeze like this, right? So you have to align this sign and this sign if you want to set the stream. So this align together. And then again, I will try cone, right? Like this. Try a fan. You can align these two signs. So you can hear the sound like a tick, tick when it aligns together. So that way you can set up based on what you want. Use one of three, right? Now I will explain this one. This is weed shield. Okay. So this one only used with this function. I will show you how. Okay, so first I will take it out this part. So attach, that's the adjustable nozzle here. And then you can put this weed shield. So you have to put that way. And then push this part like that way, right? When you take it out, it'll push it like this, or again, you can set so it looks like this. So you can insert here, and then you can use with the adjustable nozzle and this with a shield. So this purpose is to spray only certain part to kill weeds, protect other parts from the liquid, whatever you can use it. Okay, so later I will show you how the water, how it works with the water spray or whatever I can spray later on. Now I will explain this part here. And okay, so this is spraying and locking. So when you spray, you must push this bottom, and then the liquid, whatever you put into the bottle, goes out through this line. If you release it, then it stops spraying whatever the liquid from the bottle. And you will see this small screw here, nut. So this is not a function of controlling the water. This is not. This is only relating to this function. So inside of this, there's the spring. When you push or release, and I will show you now, if you open this one, you will see the spring here, right? So this is relating to this function, nothing to do with any the functionality of spraying, controlling to spray water, whatever. Okay. Yeah. If you do not want to keep pushing this, the locking here, so then you have to just push. So you have to lock. Then just water, goes through automatically whenever you press the bottle water, and then you can release it again like this. I will show you later how it works with the when I use this one to spray the water. Okay, now I will put water here. Now I put 2 gallons of water to the top, and then now I put, there's too much water. Alright, and then just turn clockwise. Okay. So now you have to push this lever, right? This handle, push, and then the pressure. It has pressure inside of the water, and then you're gonna push the water through the hose, and then goes out to nozzle. So when you push, you have to release the this lock system here, handle, like this, right? So you see, push. Okay. So now, yeah, it sprays water. So if you press, if you don't open this handle, like lock this bar, and you cannot push anymore because it is already enough pressure here and air inside, so you have to release it, right? And then here, this, now I will show you, these 3 choices here: fan and stream and cone, fan, stream. So we'll see how it looks like Okay. And then I'll release. So this is fan. This is fan. I will change to stream. This is a stream. Wow, this is straightforward. Look at that. Whew. This is stream. And now I will do corn. This is corn. Okay. Release. Yeah. So this is really wide, the spray. This is corn. Okay, say work here. The spray. It works very well. If you don't want to hold it continually, but then you lock it, push forward and lock it, and then automatically it just spray. It sprays. And you push like this, right? Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, you can please subscribe it. Thank you. Bye. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you one thing. If you put the water here, and then you don't want to lift like this, right? And then carry this one places where you just use to spray, but then you have to push, right? And then lock clockwise, turn like this, right? And then you can hold it. You can just hold this one like this and moving places where you want to go spray.